Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. And you should know that. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.
Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going,
I'm at
baby?
a payphone trying to call all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, yeah.
You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I could feel it, but it's in my way.
I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
After it exists, I will still be hoping you like this. All those fairy tales are full of air. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you,
home, all of my change I
but here's my number, so call me maybe.
It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you,
home, all of my change I spent on you.
so call me maybe.
So bad, I missed you so bad, I missed you so, so. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad, I missed you so bad. So call me maybe.
What up guys, it's Kurt, and that was Jessica Jarrell and James Allen singing a mashup of Call Me Maybe and Payphone that I did with my buddy Jake Broido. So check them out. I'll put all their links to YouTube, Twitter, whatever down in the description. They're awesome and we had a ton of fun doing this, so hope you guys liked it. And as always, more stuff coming soon. So I will see you guys then.